Hello everyone, let's discuss some questions. 1. Which of the following is a gear finishing operation? A. Milling, B. hobbing, C. Shaping, D. Shaping and brushing. Answer: shaping and brushing. 2. Which of the following methods produces gear by generating process? A. Hobbing, B. casting, C. punching, D. milling, A. broaching. Answer: hobbing. 3. If an electrical dacing system is operating, thrust will A. remains constant, B. increase, C. decrease. Answer: remains constant. 4. A method of comparing engine efficiency is by comparing A. thrust to weight ratio, B. fuel consumption, C. specific fuel consumption. Answer: specific fuel consumption. 5. In a reverse flow system, the last stage of an axial flow compressor is often centrifugal. This is to A. provide initial turning of the airflow, B. prevent compressor surge, C. increase the temperature rise. Answer: provide initial turning of the airflow. During the high RPM range on an axial flow gas turbine engine, in what position are the variable guide vanes and bleed valves? A. At maximum swirl position, bleed valves open, B. At maximum swirl position, bleed valves closed, C. At minimum swirl position, bleed valves closed. Answer: at minimum swirl position, bleed valves closed. 7. When reheat is used, APR A. is reduced, B. is increased, C. remains constant. Answer: remains constant. 8. What is the maximum practical angle through which the gas flow can be turned during thrust reversal? A. 180 degrees, B. 135 degrees, C. 50 degrees. Answer: 135 degrees. 9. The inlet door on a variable geometry intake is open at A. supersonic speed, B. subsonic speed, C. idle speed. Answer: subsonic speed. 10. The compensation device on an EGD system must be recalibrated after A. manufacture and overhaul, B. each time a part of a system is replaced, C. does not need calibration. Answer: does not need calibration. 11. Noise from the jet vac when untreated by suppression is A. low frequency high decibel, B. high frequency high decibel, C. low frequency low decibel. Answer: low frequency high decibel. 12. If the LP shaft shears, A. turbine run away occurs, B. compressor overspeed occurs, C. compressor underspeed occurs. Answer: turbine run away occurs.